Have you ever dreamed of owning your very own boat in paradise? Well, for some people, that may be easier than you think. Let's have a look at TAPAS. TAPAS is equipped with Yacht 110 horsepower diesel engines. She has electronic controls, bow thruster. She has Raymarine instruments, chart plotter, autopilot, and Raymarine VHF. She's set up in the BVI as a 10-pack charter boat. She's currently got $300,000 worth of revenue on the books for charters for this season, and I do expect that to go up as well. So as you can see, there's lots of space here. There's lots of places to hang out. You're not going to feel cramped on this boat at all. And it's really set up for tall people. I'm nearly 6 foot and we have nearly 2 foot headroom here. And you'll see that down below as well. There's a huge amount of headroom down in the saloon. So if you're a big person and you're worried about feeling cramped in a space, TAPAS is the boat to consider for sure. I particularly like the feature that you can access all areas of the foredeck from the Flybridge, a great safety feature when you're sailing offshore. TAPAS has plenty of space for 10 guests on her spacious Flybridge. Let's go down below and explore all her features and benefits. Moving into our spacious cockpit, we have a large seating area here for 10 people, 2 fridges. I particularly like the fish preparation area on the aft bulkhead here. If you're catching fish, we have a pizza oven, we have a barbecue, and we also have a remote docking station. So if we're coming stern to into a dock, we can easily maneuver the boat. Aft, we have our hydraulic tender lift platform, and this serves 2 purposes. One, to lift the dinghy out of the water, but also if we've got people with limited mobility, we can use this as a platform to get them in and out of the water safely. Moving forward, on our wide weather decks, you'll notice the boat's equipped with rubber safety matting, which is really nice underfoot. You'll also notice that the owner specified extra high safety railings for safety at sea and also for the safety and comfort of his charter guests. The boat's equipped with lots of water toys, including 2 stand-up paddleboards, snorkeling gear, wakeboard, a 2-person kayak, floating mats, fishing gear, and lots of other toys. TAPAS is equipped with Yanmar 110 horsepower diesel engines and twin Kohler 14 kilowatt generators for redundancy. The interior space is really nicely laid out. A spacious galley with a wraparound counter space opens to an interior dining space. The Royal Cape stylish design is further complemented by the superior outfit and aftermarket items available on TAPAS. No detail has been left unnoticed, from the fine linens, pillows and throws to the wine glasses, serving the flatware that make every day feel luxurious.
I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place. Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. Remembered me of the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive. The salty breeze in my lungs, and back to where I'm from. The salty breeze in my lungs. On and on and on and on. Salty breeze and the waves, the slower pace, the salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place.
So, if you're considering buying yourself a charter boat in paradise, TAPAS really does tick all the boxes. Additionally, if you're looking for a boat to take your family safely around the world in comfort and style, she really does tick those boxes as well. So, thanks again for watching. As always, the listing details will be in the comments below.